Something extraordinary happens when people gather around a table against the backdrop of a good meal. Food brings happiness, and at Blue Flame Kitchen, we believe your home should be your happy place, making us especially thrilled to welcome a new member to our family. Meet Fresh Bites. This exciting addition to our family brings us into Albertan homes under our new Blue Flame Kitchen Express brand. Now, your favorite hearty meals are available as gourmet quick-service meal options at your local grocery store. The same chef-made meals you know and love, brought to the comfort of your home or wherever life takes you. We've been helping Albertans get comfortable in their kitchens since 1929. Now, over 90 years later, many things have changed, but our roots remain the same. And in this case, change is a good thing. Find their nourishing, prepared meals and deli products at Calgary Co-op and Blush Lane locations. And this is just the beginning.
We want people to eat well, real food, real ingredients. There's no science needed. Brackets, numbers, dashes, not in the ingredients. When you pick up a Blue Flame Kitchen Express meal, trust it's been crafted with local love and natural ingredients, from our kitchen to your home.
Next time you're scrambling to find that quick dinner solution, remember us. Where you can find our food has expanded, but our commitment to quality, flavor, and the communities we serve is heartier than ever.